Join me in checking out my go bag. This is a 11-inch canvas bag from Harbor Freight, Voyager. In the front pocket here, we have scissors, also from Harbor Freight. These are heavy-duty scissors, so they can cut wire and, of course, paper and everything. Cord. We'll leave everything out. Open it up. Always got to have microfiber. Cleaning off anything. Wiping it down. Even having a place to set everything down. And a nice just platform there. Paracord. Got plenty of it. Super strong. JB Weld in the package. We can use the packaging as a tray to mix. Hammer. Never know when you need a hammer. We've got a combination of things going on here. We have a light. This light can extend, bend, but also has a magnet on that end and a magnet on this end. Very neat. We got a micro screwdriver, reversible. Keep it on the flat. Tire gauge. All PSI. No bar, no nothing. It's an older school one. Well, multi-tool. Mainly have these for the pliers. And these are a backup. I have some on my person that I use. These are Gerber. These have served me well. I want to get some Leatherman, but these are Dremel. Interesting. But yeah, these are spring-loaded, which is nice. These aren't. But yeah. Anyways, we got a saw, a file, a little screwdriver. Yeah. Further in here, we have a screwdriver kit. It's a Klein Tools. You can swap out the screwdriver, 16-in-1. We also have, here's another magnet. Another tool kit here. This is nice because you can get an actual ratcheting action there. Or we can, if there's stuff here that we don't have in here, we can either put in here, put that guy in there. Okay. Moving on. Oh wow. Oh yeah, this. You gotta pull it. There we go. A Ouija Go box. I like that box. It's got a little tray. Furthermore in our bag, pens, pencils, marker, white marker. Utility blade. It's got a screwdriver and another little screwdriver on that side. Gloves. I'm gonna get some new ones, but definitely gloves. Electrical tape. 3M. Don't get anything else. Enough said. Microcord, paracord. This is usually in my pocket. I'm gonna get a separate lighter to put in this bag. But this has got paracord and duct tape, Gorilla Tape wrapped around it. This is my go bag. Lighter. Of course, measuring tape. Wire snips. Very handy. Let's pull this guy out. Little organizing tray. And we got glue sticks. Get a drip on. Hot glue. Get your drip on. Notepad. Taking notes down. Pen, pencil, what have you. Towel, rag, make sure. Need to check oil. Need to clean up a little mess. And we got eye drops. Single-use eye drops. You need to clear out something getting in your eye. There we go. Extra batteries for the light. We got a card to scrape, to pry, do anything, get in the door. There we go. And that's it. Okay. Thinking about adding, well, for Band-Aid, use some of this tape. I'll get some tape wrapped around this or something. Some Gorilla Tape, and then we'll be good to go. And I'll continue to add things as needed. Now time to put it back together.